Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at how to set up and configure clickable buttons inside your campaign. So we can see here we've got a button on screen. To edit this block we just need to click on it. And straight away we can see here we can start editing the text. So we could highlight it and replace it. Perfect, and you'll see on the right hand side here we can set the destination. So when this button's clicked, this is where the user will be taken to. So we can enter a web address, email or phone number. Perfect. And if we click on the Style tab over here, we can start customizing how this button's going to look. So at the moment we can see the text is set to black. So perhaps you wanted this to another colour. And also you could change the outline to match our new colour that we've just selected. You'll see here we've got a vast array of different options to customise this button and to get it to looking just how you want. You'll see that each button also has drag handles, so you can resize this button to get it suited for your design. So we can resize our button here, so it looks perfect. Or alternatively, rather than using custom sizing, we've got a few preset options. So we can have it fitting the text, which is where the button is just a little bit wider than the text inside it. Or if you want, you can have it full width. Or as I showed a little bit earlier, you can use the drag handles to customize how that looks. And at the bottom here, we have the familiar styling options. So you can set the background color on this row, whether it will display on desktop or mobile, and so on. Okay, that's a quick look at buttons and how to set and customize them inside your campaign.